here's your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Well, the temperature is just not cold enough today to allow the snow to stick, and it took a while to transition from rain over to snow. The exception, where else but in the northwest corner of the state, picking up about a coating to an inch of snow, places like Foster, Gloucester. Take a look outside. Under colder conditions now, we're starting to fall below freezing in the upper 20s to lower 30s. And we mentioned how some of the pavement is still damp, whether it's a parking lot, a driveway, or a secondary road. So there may be a little bit of icing this evening, overnight, right on through tomorrow morning. So we look at North Scituate. This is the intersection of 101 and 102. Temperature has fallen below freezing. It's hard to see, but if you look closely, you can see there's just a little bit of snow on the ground, so the landscape is completely different here. There are so many factors that we look at when forecasting precipitation type during the winter. It's always a challenge. One of them is actually geography, and well, obviously we don't have mountains in northwest Rhode Island. We do have a modest rise in the elevation. The northwest corner of the state, elevation between 400 and 800 feet. 20 miles to the southwest in Warwick, the elevation is 36 feet. So what a difference, just a slight rise here in terms of temperature, allowing the snow to change over, or the rain to change over to snow a little quicker and allowing it to stick to the ground more readily in this part of the state. Elsewhere, just bare but damp ground. I'm going to watch for some refreeze during the overnight hours. Rain and snow has moved offshore, still holding on to some clouds, but clearing skies to our north and west will be settling in. This precipitation from today sliding offshore. So let's take this into the future now through Sunday morning. We'll watch the time bar right up in here, clearing out. Look at the temperatures really tumble. High temperature tomorrow, Friday afternoon, 2 o'clock. That's it. Only about 24, 25 degrees. We're frigid tomorrow night. All week, we've been talking about a potential coastal storm for Saturday. Computer model is doing an excellent job in predicting this storm offshore, but that's where it will stay, just far enough offshore. Here's southern New England to prevent any impacts here. So, no snow in the forecast. We'll keep Saturday cold and dry. And then by Sunday morning, we're clear, starting off at about 23 degrees. So the weekend is quiet. Let's backtrack to this evening and overnight. Watch these temperatures tumble under clear skies. By 6 in the morning, it's only around 10 degrees. Snow showers confined to the Cape, the Islands, and Plymouth County only. The rest of the area looks dry with ineffective sunshine. The best we can do is about 25 degrees for the high temp. Your Friday evening, Friday night continues cold and dry with 11 o'clock temperature tomorrow night at around 15 to 18 degrees. So for tomorrow morning, it is frigid. The wind chill is running about 0 to 5 below. Watch for a few icy spots early. By 11 a.m., 20, and as high as we can get tomorrow afternoon for the temperature, generally about 24, 25 degrees with a mix of clouds and some sunshine. Bay forecast, unlimited visibility on a north breeze, 10 to 20 knots. Enough of a breeze to make these temperatures feel colder tomorrow morning, and why we have the sub-zero wind chills. But that ocean storm stays away. The weekend is dry. Afternoon temperatures in the middle 30s. Colder, dry on Monday. The Tuesday system is not a storm, but rather some scattered rain and snow showers. High temperatures in the middle to upper 30s. So in the short term, we're watching some of the pavement, and with these damp conditions and falling temperatures, Mike and Shannon, a little bit of icing overnight through tomorrow morning, so be careful.
All right, Tony, thank you. And now for a look at what's coming up on News Nation tonight, here's Dan Abrams.